Hi, next we are going to see about the group decision making. So, what do you mean by group? It is a team of people. What do you mean by decision making? We have to take one solution for a particular problem or objectives or anything. Decision making is the process where a final choice is made among the different alternative courses of action that are available for solving complex problem. Decisions can be made in group in different ways. The group leader can make work group decision without consulting the members, or decisions can be made through consultative process. Discussions can be made for a group. Group versus individual decision making. Group decision making may be widely used in organization, but does that imply that group decisions are preferable to those who made by an individual alone? So, definition of decision making. So, decision making is nothing but a selection based on some criteria from two or more possible alternatives. The one more definition is decision making is a focal, creative, physical event where knowledge, thoughts, feelings, and imagination are focused into action. Next, characteristics of decision making. Dynamic process. Decision making is a dynamic process. It involves time, dimension, and time lag. A particular problem may have different decisions at different times. Depending upon the situation, thus decision making is situational. Second one, goal-oriented process. Decision making is goal-oriented process. It aims at achieving certain desired goals or objectives. The intention of decision making is to move towards some desired state of affairs. Third one, continuous process. Decision making is a continuous process. A manager has to take number of decisions close from the start of the day. Then fourth one, freedom. Decision making involves freedom to the decision maker about the final choice. Fifth one, selection of best possible alternatives. Decision making is a selective process. This is that only best possible alternative chosen out of many alternatives available. Advantages of decision making. Complete information and knowledge. By aggregating the resources of several individuals, we bring more information into the discussion. The knowledge of all members will contribute to the decision making. Second one, diversity of views. In groups, got more information and knowledge. Decision making opens on the opportunity for more approaches and alternatives to be considered. Third one, legitimacy. The people in our country value democratic methods. The group decision making process is consistent with democratic ideas, and therefore they may be perceived as being more legitimate than decision made by a single person. Fourth one, effective implementation. Implementation of the decision is more effective since the people who are going to implement the decision also participated in the decision making process. This also increases the commitment of the people to see the implementation of success. Next, fifth one, democratic decision. In this group decision making is more democratic in nature, while individual decision making is more autocratic in nature. The democratic process are more easily acceptable and are consistent with the democratic ideals of our society. Next, these are all the advantages of the decision making. So advantages helps us, these points helps us to develop ourselves to take a decision while going to take a alternatives. So decision making is the most important for every organization, because once we have choose a final one, that only we have to follow up to till end. In case there is a problem for taking a wrong decision, it will affect the whole organization. So the whole organization will affect means employees issues, turnover issue, employees will distress, and also production will be reduced, profit will be reduced, the company is facing many problems. So the decision making is very important for every organization. Thank you.